Hey guys, it's Mike from Mike Stickers. I just want to give y'all a quick little update. So finally, I surpassed over 500 subscribers, which that happened a while back, but I surpassed over 3,000 watch hours, which that allows me to get the initial monetization going. So there's now a new section that I wanted to talk to y'all about. It's called, it's instead of just liking a video, you can click on something that says thanks. I'm going to have a little screenshot animation that I'm going to link with this video or add to the video and kind of show you where it's at and what to look for. But basically, it allows y'all to give me an actual a cash tip on there if you want to. It helps everything that I'm doing. And like I said, I'm trying to be completely open with y'all. You know, this is so that I can eventually start to have this YouTube channel be a second stream of income. I can start to show y'all even more of what I do. You know, as things progress, I'll be able to buy more equipment and be able to show y'all how to use that equipment as well. So, like I said, I appreciate all the support from y'all. It's been a big milestone for me. It was just a little bit over a year ago that I only had 50 subscribers. I had my YouTube channel started in 2007. I was doing car videos, and from 2007 up until just last year, I only had 50 subscribers. So from last year till this point, I now have, I don't know, like 560 subscribers. So I'm real proud of that. It's an accomplishment for me. It was a goal that I was setting, and so I'm happy to be there. I'm sorry. I'm way over 500 subscribers at this point. I'm sorry, I had that number wrong. I think I'm at 956, something like that. But the goal was to get over 500 to get this initial monetization, then over 1,000 to get the actual ad revenue monetization. So I'm gonna check real quick and see where I'm at. Yeah, I have 963 subscribers right now. I need another like 900 watch hours before I'll be able to be monetized and get ad revenue, and then things should hopefully start to pick up from there. But anyways, like I said, I appreciate all the support. If y'all want to go ahead and click that, you know, thanks button and give a cash tip on there, that'd be awesome. Like I said, it's going to help with, you know, equipment and making more, making more videos like this. So if I can make this actually make sense and actually have a little bit of money that I'm making from it, then it's going to give me more incentive to do it. It's going to make me realize that the time that I'm spending doing it is actually worth something. Right now, I'm just doing it on the side. I'm doing it to help y'all. And like I said, eventually I do want to be monetized fully so that I can get some good money coming from the ad revenue. So if y'all are watching my videos and you're not on a premium YouTube channel, I'm sure you're seeing that there's already advertisements on there. So once I get fully monetized with the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, I'll actually make a little bit of money off of every single one of those commercials that gets watched by one of y'all. And, you know, I'll have some more options for maybe like affiliate links and stuff like that once I'm fully monetized, I think. So anyways, I said I appreciate it, guys, and just want to say thanks for everything, and just, you know, want to let y'all know that's an option now. I'm also going to eventually have a membership section where I'm going to have content that's only available to members. I'm going to be able to have I'm going to have other options on there, maybe like where y'all can do, you know, one-on-one video chats with me, or, you know, phone calls with me directly. Right now, I've been offering that, but once I get the membership channel, membership section going, that might be kind of an exclusive just for members. I haven't fully decided all that yet. Like I said, I'm trying to do everything I can to help other people out, but I also want to have this channel make sense for me, you know, money-wise and everything, because all the time that I'm doing, you know, spending making these videos is time that I could be working on orders or working on getting more business directly for the company. So, you know, I feel like I am putting some value out there. So I appreciate it if any of y'all just want to give me a little tip to show you the appreciation. So anyways, thanks again, everyone. Y'all take it easy. Peace.